world of constant change, where anything can happen, it is necessary to have the proper tools. First, we defined flight efficiency when introducing AtlasPRO with the revolutionary tricopter design. Now, with the new innovative NEST Smart Docking Station, we are redefining autonomous mission flight time. We took the word futuristic and made it reality. NEST Smart Docking Station is the first ever fully autonomous drone docking solution. The compact weatherproof design makes it very transportable. And it looks so good that you can even put it in a living room. The AtlasPRO interchangeable payload system will ensure that you are prepared for any situation. With the possibility of working together with other NEST docking stations through the command center, NEST can provide 24/7 mission flight time with a range of up to 10 kilometers. A game changer for enterprise flight operations. And the easy user interface of AtlasPRO will make every industry specialist feel right at home. Redefine the future.